Good morning. That's what I say to all my students, no matter what time of day it is, because really, is the time of day even relevant? So, this is my classroom. I'm teaching for Manual High School. You can see that the classroom is only vaguely resembling a classroom, but we do have lights and we do have electricity, and those are real luxuries. So I teach your students either Photo 1, Photo 2, or not AP, 3D visual art. And all of those things will eventually happen in this classroom. I will attach a syllabus to the portal page that you probably found this video on, but honestly, that syllabus is really subject to change. We've had to retool everything, and that happens pretty much daily as we try to build the airplane as it's flying. Actually, we're still kind of finding the materials to build the airplane while it's flying, which is a challenge. I am determined to make the best experience I can from this computer and my knowledge and history trying to pull rabbits out of hats. I think more than anything else during NTI, art can be such great therapy for kids. It can be kind of a great escape. We're going to be doing projects that evolve. So where we're headed is going to be largely determined by the success we had with our previous piece. We're going to start with fundamentals in my Art 1 class, or my art, in my Photo 1 class. We may be making things like this. This is an example of what we did during last NTI, and here are a couple examples of things that we do in our normal class when we're back in school. In Photo 1, we're shooting all on film, and it's not at all digital. But of course now everything is digital until that point. So we're going to manage those transitions, and we're going to do this together. For Photo 2, eventually we're going to be doing work like this. And currently I'm looking at empty space, but hopefully you're seeing some cool examples of work that we do in Photo 2. It gets a little more ambitious and almost exclusively starts out black and white, but then we will add some color and we will add some kind of weird techniques that we develop in the darkroom. The 3D stuff that we make, we're going to start out with real fundamentals, but ultimately we may make something like this. Is there room for something up here?
Yeah.
Okay, or we may make something like this. Things like this. Who knows? But we're going to have to start with the fundamentals and use a limited supply of materials. We've got people in here helping us make this room complete. This is our lives, people. We love it. My email is listed on the same portal page that you found this video. So if you have questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact me. So far, we've been having some fun with the kids. I know they're not exactly excited, the ones that have the 9 o'clock classes, about getting up and getting to those classes, but they've been showing up. And I apologize for my workwear here today. But guess what? I've been seeing your kids in some pajamas that make this look like formal wear. So that's all I got to say. Anyway, thanks for trusting us. We're going to try to make a useful experience for your kids. And hang in there. See ya.